The Supreme Court on Monday stayed the Delhi High Court's order that had suspended the life sentence of expelled BJP leader and former MLA Kuldeep Singh Sengar and granted him bail in the Unnao rape case. A bench headed by Chief Justice of India Surya Kant said that, considering the peculiar facts of the case, the High Court's December 23rd order would remain stayed and Sengar shall not be released from prison. The Apex Court also issued a notice to Sengar on a plea filed by the CBI, which challenged the suspension of his sentence. The agency had moved the Supreme Court after the Delhi High Court held that Sengar could not be treated as a public servant under relevant provisions of the POCSO Act and the IPC and noted that he had already spent over 7 years and 5 months in jail. The High Court's decision had triggered widespread protests, with the Unnao rape survivor joining demonstrations in Delhi demanding justice. The survivor expressed confidence that the Supreme Court would intervene while her family reiterated faith in the judiciary. Sengar was convicted in December 2019 and sentenced to life imprisonment along with a 25 lakh rupees fine.